everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to create multiple Shopify stores under one account. So if you're also looking out how to do so, you may follow up these steps for that and you should be able to do it. So for that, you can just go over and go to Shopify. Let's head over to Shopify and go to their official site, this one right here. And you will be taken to this Shopify admin page. So what you need to do is click on your name or profile picture icon in the top right corner. This one right here, and select all stores option here. And once you select all store options here, you need to select this option to start up a new store. So right now I already have one. Click on this option called create new store. And you just need to follow the prompts to create up a new store now. Now, once you are here, what you need to do is you can start up the prompt. You can select what would you like to sell. So for example, online store, you can click on next. And is this shop for new or existing business? I'm just gonna click on new business. You can click on next as well. After that, what would you like to sell? This one right here, and click on next. You can decide it and provide in your store name and complete the setup process now. I'm just gonna type in Jen and click on finish. Now, after this is done, what you need to do next is you will be all set. I just need to go over and, give your unique products, themes, domain settings, even with the same login. Now, if you want to switch to another account, you can look out for your profile option at the top and basically switch to another account. If you want to add another account, you can look out for all store option and even add another account by clicking on this option called create store. But usually this is how you create multiple Shopify stores under one account pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.